nihongo. The grammar of nihongo is mean that be used to something dot dot to be used to something. And when you use the grammar of nihongo in Japanese, you should use the noun. That means you should begin your noun first, and after that followed by nihongo. And in here you will see we write in kanji and in hiragana for the nareru. It just had the same meaning, so sometimes they will use the kanji, but sometimes they will use the hiragana as you see here. So don't be confused when you see the thing like this. And when you use the grammar of nihongo, that means be used to something. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of nihongo, let's go to see some example together. The first example, 私は日本の生活に慣れるまでが大変だった。私は日本の生活に慣れるまでが大変だった。That means it was taught before I got used to life in Japan. It was taught before I got used to life in Japan. And the next example. 私は早起きするのに慣れていない。私は早起きするのに慣れていない。Which means I am not used to getting up early. I am not used to getting up early. For the first sentence, we will see that our noun in here, which means seikatsu. Seikatsu is mean life. But we say it is nihon no seikatsu, that means life in Japan. So when you got used to the life in Japan, that maybe many things happen in your life. For example, you see in Japan they really care about the time. So whatever you do, you should be in time, or you should be on time only. So maybe sometimes you have to improve yourself, right? So including food and how to use Japanese, how to speaking, right? How to go to the market, something like this. So in the first sentence, our noun in here is mean seikatsu. Seikatsu is mean life. And let's consider the next, the second sentence in here is say 早起きするのに慣れていない。早起きする which means that you get up early. You know, now in here it means get up early. So if you are not used to get up early, that means sometimes it's difficult for you to improve your habit or your performance. So you have to improve. Sometimes you stay alone, that means you can stay late and get up late, right? If you go to bed late, so you will get up late, and sometimes so you get a lifestyle like that. So maybe you stay with your friends, so you have to improve many things to fit your friends, your group, right? So knowledge is mean get used to, but knowledge which means you do not get used to, because you always get up late, right? So in the case of get up early, that you have to improve, so it's difficult for you. For the helmet, everybody is very difficult for to improve your habit, right? Your performance. But the person that who can improve is the smart people. So let's go to see the next example. あなたはすぐに新しい大学生活になれるだろう。あなたはすぐに新しい大学生活になれるだろう。That means you will soon get used to your new college life before you know it. You will soon get used to your new college life before you know it. In this sentence, you see that the now we use in here is mean 新しい大学生活 right? Which means new life, new student life in the college, right? New student life in the college. 新しい mean new, so 大学生生活 is mean student, in the university lifestyle. So if you just graduate from high school and you enter to the university somewhere, so maybe it's absolutely it's different from your high school lifestyle, right? Because you are adult, so you have to do everything by yourself. You don't ask your parents. You have to work part time, right? You have to do your homework. You have to submit many things to be on time, right? Depend to your teacher, your professor. So it's difficult for many people to make the lifestyle in the university or college. So you have to improve. So for the time that in the case that you are enter to the university for about 1 month or 2 months, that you can say nare dalo. That means you might be get used to your new college lifestyle. Dalo is mean maybe, or you might be get used to the new college lifestyle, something like this. The next example, 私がここの生活に慣れるのは時間がかかりそうです。私がここの生活に慣れるのは時間がかかりそうです。Which means that it will take some time for me to get used to life here. It will take some time for me to get used to life here. And in this sentence, you see that the noun that we use with nareru in here, we use koko no sekatsu, right? Koko no sekatsu is mean life at here. And here it means that where you living right now. Koko no sekatsu is mean life at here. Ni nareru no wa, which means that jikan ga kakari, so that it means that you might take some time to get used to the life at here. For example, you move to from your parents' house to another province or another prefecture or another state to enter the university. So you have to improve yourself, right? To match your friends, to match your school, right? Everything depends to you. So nobody say to you. So you have to improve your life. So to before you fit that lifestyle, you have to take some time, right? So in the case like that, you can say koko no segatsu ni nareru no wa jikan ga kakari so desu. It means it might take some time to get used to the life at here. And this is how to use the grammar nani nani ni nareru, right? If you want to use in the negative form, just nani nani ni narenai, narete inai, something like this. You can use not only nareru, but you can use in the negative form narenai. For example, koko no sekatsu ni narete inai, which means I do not get used to the life in here, which means that you cannot improve yourself, right? So maybe you have to move to another place that fit and you like the place, right? Thank you much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。